Hello, Anna. Look at all these boxes. I can't believe we finally moved into our new apartment in Vienna. It feels good to be here, but now the real work begins. Unpacking.
Hello, Mark. I know, right? It's exciting, but also a bit overwhelming. So many boxes. Where do we even start? I feel like I'm looking at a mountain of cardboard.
Good question. I think we should have a plan. Just opening boxes randomly will make a bigger mess. We need a strategy to make this process easier and faster. What do you think is the first step?
A plan sounds smart. Maybe we should focus on one room at a time? That way, we don't spread the chaos everywhere. We can finish one area before moving to the next.
That makes sense. Which room do you think is the most important to unpack first? I was thinking maybe the kitchen or the bedroom. We need food and sleep after all.
Definitely the bedroom. We'll need a comfortable place to sleep tonight. Unpacking the bed, some clothes, and basic toiletries seems like a good start. Then we can tackle the kitchen.
Okay, bedroom first it is. Let's find the boxes labeled bedroom or essentials. I remember packing some basic things in a clear bin so we can find them quickly. That should have toothbrushes and pajamas.
Good idea. I packed our bedding in a separate bag. It should be easy to find. Once the bed is set up, everything will feel a bit more normal. I'm looking forward to a good night's sleep after all this moving.
Me too. Let's make the bed first. Then we can unpack our clothes. Do you want to unpack your clothes and I'll unpack mine? It might be quicker if we work on our own things.
Yes, that works for me. I'll put my clothes in the closet and drawers. We should also decide where to put our shoes. Maybe a small shoe rack near the door?
A shoe rack is a good idea. We can get one tomorrow if we don't have one in a box. For now, let's just make sure we have clean clothes for the next few days. We don't want to be wearing wrinkled shirts.
Agreed. And don't forget to plug in the alarm clock. We don't want to be late for work tomorrow, even if we are tired. It's important to keep our routine.
Right. Bedroom done for now. What about the kitchen? We'll need plates, cups, and some cooking utensils. And coffee. We definitely need coffee tomorrow morning.
The kitchen is next on my list. I packed the kitchen essentials box with the coffee machine, some mugs, and a few plates. It should be easy to spot among the others. We need coffee to survive this unpacking process.
Perfect. I'll start looking for the box with the pots and pans. We won't cook a big meal tonight, but it's good to have them accessible for future use. Maybe some simple pasta for dinner?
Pasta sounds great. I also have a box with cutlery. Spoons, forks, and knives. We'll need those. And don't forget the dish soap and a sponge. We need to wash our hands and dishes.
Oh, good point. I almost forgot about cleaning supplies. They should be in a separate box, probably labeled cleaning. Let's find that one too, so we can keep things tidy as we go.
Yes, tidiness is key, even during unpacking. It prevents more stress later. Once we have the basics, we can put away the less urgent kitchen items, like the fancy serving dishes.
Okay, kitchen basics are in place. Now, what about the bathroom? We need to unpack towels and toiletries. It's important to have a functional bathroom.
Yes, the bathroom is crucial. I packed a box with towels, shampoo, and soap. It's probably labeled bathroom. Let's find that one and put everything in the cabinet.
I'll grab the shower curtain from the box and we can hang that up. It will make the bathroom feel more complete. And we need to put the toilet paper in a visible spot.
Yes, definitely. And our toothbrushes and toothpaste. We don't want to be searching for those in the morning. I'll also put out some hand soap.
We also need to find the bath mats. They're usually in the same box as the towels. It's safer to have them to prevent slipping on a wet floor.
True. I'll check the bathroom box carefully. We should also make sure the mirror is clean. A clean mirror always makes a bathroom feel nicer.
So, bedroom, kitchen, and bathroom are mostly set up. That's a good start. What's next on our unpacking agenda? The living room.
The living room sounds logical. We can start by assembling the sofa if it needs assembly. It would be nice to have a place to sit and relax after all this work.
I agree. I packed the living room essentials in a few boxes. We need to find the TV and the remote, and maybe some blankets for the sofa.
Yes, blankets would be nice. I'll also look for the box with our books and some decorative items. We don't have to put everything out now, but some familiar things will make it feel like home.
Good idea. Let's focus on the big furniture first, like the TV stand and maybe a small coffee table. We can worry about the smaller decorations later.
Perfect. And let's not forget to set up the internet modem and router. We'll need Wi-Fi for our phones and laptops. That's very important for staying connected.
The living room is coming along. Now, how about the home office? We both work from home sometimes, so having that set up is important.
Absolutely. I'll find the boxes with our computer monitors, keyboards, and mice. We'll need to set up our desks. I hope they are easy to assemble.
I packed our office chairs separately. They should be easy to find and move into the office. Having a comfortable chair is crucial for working.
Yes, a good chair is a must. I'll also look for the box with all the cables and chargers. We need to make sure everything is plugged in correctly.
And we should find the box with our important documents. We don't want those to get lost in the shuffle. A clear folder or box for documents is best.
I know where those are. They are in a small red box. I kept it separate for safety. We'll put that in a safe place in the office.
So, the main rooms are mostly done. What about the guest room or any other less urgent areas? We don't have guests arriving immediately.
Exactly. The guest room can wait a bit. We can unpack the essentials there later, like the bed and some clean sheets. For now, let's focus on organizing the unpacked boxes.
Good point. We have a lot of empty boxes now. We should break them down and put them in the recycling bin. They are taking up too much space.
Yes, let's do that. We can also make a pile of things we don't need or want anymore. We can donate them or throw them away. No need to keep clutter.
That's a great idea. Moving is a good opportunity to declutter. Let's make a donate pile and a dispose pile as we go through the remaining boxes.
And let's keep a few empty boxes for storage if we need them. Sometimes it's good to have extra storage for things we don't use often.
What about pictures and decorations? Should we put them up now or wait until everything else is unpacked? I want to make this place feel like home.
I think we can put up a few key pictures and decorations now. It will make the apartment feel more welcoming. We don't have to hang everything, just a few favorites.
I have a box with all our favorite photos. I'll open that one. Maybe we can put some in the living room and some in the bedroom.
Yes, that sounds lovely. And I have a small plant that survived the move. I'll put it on the coffee table. Greenery always makes a room feel fresher.
Great idea. We can hang the big mirror in the hallway, too. It will make the entrance look bigger and brighter.
Perfect. Small touches like these make a big difference. We don't have to rush to put everything up. We can do it bit by bit.
This unpacking is hard work. We should order some dinner tonight. I don't think we have the energy to cook. We deserve a break.
I completely agree. Let's order pizza. It's easy and delicious. We can eat it on the floor in the living room, surrounded by our boxes. A true moving-in tradition.
Pizza sounds amazing. After that, we can take a warm shower and relax. We've made a lot of progress today.
We certainly have. We've got the essential rooms sorted, and we have a plan for the rest. I feel much better now than I did this morning.
Me too. It's good to see the apartment taking shape. It already feels more like our home. We are doing a great job.
We are a great team, Mark. This is going to be a wonderful new chapter for us here in Vienna. I'm really looking forward to it.
So, what's the plan for tomorrow? We still have some boxes left, mainly the less urgent items we need to finish unpacking.
Tomorrow, we can tackle the remaining boxes in the living room and the guest room. We can also organize the pantry and the storage area.
Good. And we should make a list of things we need to buy, like the shoe rack we talked about, and maybe some new plants for the balcony.
Yes, a shopping list is essential. We also need to register our new address with the local authorities. That's important for our residency.
Right. We should also explore our new neighborhood a bit. Find the nearest grocery store and maybe a nice cafe. It's important to get to know our surroundings.
Absolutely. Unpacking is important, but so is settling in and enjoying our new home. We'll take it one day at a time. I'm excited about our new life here.